the 5th of October 2025, post-storm Amy. This level is a lot higher than it normally is when we have our ordinary winter rain. That's Coillte forestry. Glad to see those ducks got down. They were having trouble the other day of landing. Little robin. That isn't bog, but it's very swampy land. That's completely underwater. Where those trees are there, that is bog, and that's underwater. That is going down towards the R293, and it's flooded right down as far as the road and beyond. And this here is all McGowan's DAFM forestry, and all of this has been certified to be replanted with Sitka without any consideration to the fact that it floods to this extent repeatedly throughout winter, and over the last 3 years it started to flood during the spring and summer as well. This summer 2025, even though it was one of the driest we've had in I don't know how many years, this area still flooded 3 times. The forestry is flooded now all the way up to here where they'd already cut. This here that they'd left standing all the way down here is all flooded now, and the new forestry, the Coillte, there is all flooded as well as all this forestry. This area here on this little hill, the slight rise, that slight rise goes right through the forestry and of this lot of forestry, and it's all flooded up to that slight rise and beyond that slight rise. There is a drain there that takes water from the forestry away, but that is, you know, not considered in any assessments. And to be clear, this flooding is mainly caused by Sitka plantation needles which have flowed from these plantations down into the tributary that runs along there and have blocked it. This would all be going into the main river Omo if it wasn't for Sitka forests.